Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a solution architect here at Ultimate AI, and today I'm here to show off our new MCP server functionality in Cursor. MCP server brings an array of tools that allows Cursor to leverage your entire data stack. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we did some docs and tests. We're using Jaffle Shop in Cursor here. And today I want to actually generate a net new model. So I'm going to prompt a chat with, I want to create a new model which calculates customer lifetime value. Let's see what happens. Okay, so first things it's doing is going through all the models. It's reading each one, the customers, orders, and it actually identified a field called customer lifetime value within the customer's model. But it's also saying we can create a much better model out of this. So it's now generating that file right now. Okay, so there's a new SQL file now called customer lifetime value.sql. It's telling you some information about the fields it's assigned to pull in. It's also generating some order metrics, some transaction metrics, and even some advanced metrics even here. So looking through some of this code, let's see. Interesting. So they'll have annual revenue frequencies. And on the side here, you can also see that it's calling the MCP tool, and the MCP tool is calling multiple tools within itself. So it's calling a get project to review the whole project. It's also running models to run all the models like in a DBT build, and then there's also executing SQL with the limit. So just running queries against the data as well. And its output saying, "Wow, look, the model is working as expected. Here's what we can see from the top 5 customers by lifetime value," and giving a little bit of summary about what it's seeing. There's additional prompts at the bottom. It's saying, "Would you like me to add any additional metrics or make any adjustments to this model?" Let's see. Yes, add some additional metrics. Okay, so it's generating now. Cool. So it's kind of thinking about some metrics it can possibly add to the model right now. It lists customer segmentation, growth trends, and also value metrics as well. Let's see what it does from here. Interesting. So going to where that line of code is. Oh, nice. So they've added some customer segmentation. So like active, at risk, or churned, or inactive customers by calculating the day since last order. So that's a nice one. Also frequency and monetary segments of like, are they a high lifetime value versus medium or low? Nice. And so now that's added these metrics on, it's also updating the description columns within the tables as well in the schema.yaml file. And now it's running a run model again just to make sure that this model is running as expected. Let's see. Oh, and also as you do this, as with using any AI agent to write code, think of it as a partner writing with you. So as it writes these metrics in this code, it is up to you as a human to review them and make sure that they're sound. So don't just push to production if they say so. Yeah, nice. So it's actually giving a summary of what it's done. It's saying what is added in terms of like a payment method and customer segmentation and other things as well. You can review these changes, accept those changes as you go. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks.